Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about STA instruction in 8085 microprocessor. Here STA stands for store accumulator. And now this instruction is written as STA 16-bit address. This instruction stores the content of accumulator at 16-bit address. And this instruction takes 3 bytes of memory, 4 machine cycle and 13 T-states. And now let's say at location 6500H we write an instruction STA 7000H. And now this instruction stores the data present in accumulator to memory location 7000H. And now this is our 8085 microprocessor containing all the basic units and registers. And now comes memory starting from location 6500H. And now this is our instruction STA 7000H. Now let's say accumulator contains a value 48 and program counter contains the address of the instruction, that is 6500H. Then instruction register goes to the location 6500H and fetch the instruction, that is STA 7000H. This process is called opcode fetch. After opcode fetch, the instruction is decoded in the instruction decoder. Then program counter incremented by 1 and becomes 6501. Then the data at location 6501 gets copied to register Z. Program counter again incremented by 1 and becomes 6502. Then the data at location 6502 gets copied to register W. After this, the data of accumulator gets copied to memory location 7000H. And now program counter again incremented by 1 and becomes 6503. And now thanks for watching. If you like the video then please subscribe our channel.